So we're looking here to Monero. It is the same chart like the Stellar's chart. And we know exactly that we test at the moment only these levels here. And that is the dangerous point here that you have to understand. We test at this level. That means after testing, we will go really hard to the downside. Yeah. And this fact, nobody see. And exactly here at these levels, we will test the low levels again. For exact price target, please use the Wolf price target because there you get the end targets. And not only the low levels, you get also how much is it is possible that Monero hit or touch higher prices. It is possible to predict exactly so that we also exactly predict the downtrend and the low areas. So in my eyes, let's stay here open that you get only the price target, but we can sign here or show you what could be possible after the low here. So I'm calculating with this formation, yeah, that we're going to these levels because it is important that we touch this line 1, 2, 3 times, yeah, and from this point it is possible that we coming back, yeah. So we know from Bitcoin that this here was not the last step. So the last step is this. And here the whales have two possibilities. One possibility is they manipulate the price here to the downside, and then is over. The price of Bitcoin and Monero goes to zero. Yeah, and crypto is dead. This is one possibility. You have to look here exactly. The other possibility is if the whales not manipulate, we could go to these levels here. And that means if this is happening, that we are over 500, yeah, then the price of Monero will fly. Yeah, and the end target is not 800. This is will go very hard to the upside. Like compare with this, look here, the price was here at $28. Let me look. So how much we had here? Okay, $24. From $24, the price is going to 500. And now we have the situation, the range is between 20 and 500. And if you make here a prediction, then you have this full band, yeah, between 20 and 500. And this new channel is so wide that we can say, okay, um, we have more chances to go over $1,000. Yeah, I will not predict the other prices what I have in my mind. Please comment the Wolf price target membership, then you get here the end targets. But it is really really hard to reach higher levels. Have a nice day. So we're looking short to the Bitcoin price so that we can add this Bitcoin price prediction in the videos. So if you look to this construct, yeah, then you can recognize something is wrong with this construct. If you look to this, yeah, then you can see that we are testing this uptrend. Uptrend is never, how can I say, a situation or pattern in which we have to break here this. Yeah. So maybe the whales, we saw this also in the past, They manipulate the price to these levels, yeah, and then let the price here down. Yeah, that is the one point that can exist or happens. But in the end of the day, we have to come back to these levels, and you can see that the price has energy to 12,000. So, and you can see here the channel, the negative channel here. And the problem is, if we are landing at 12,000, then this 12,000 will not hold. Yeah, because here the neckline is too weak. And so for us is here the situation that the price will definitely smash to the downside. Yeah, and this will also affect the altcoins. They will go to zero. Yeah, and the rich and elites and also Goldman Sachs will invest in crypto. Yeah, this is pure manipulation what here happens because it's not fair. The elites and the rich they know that the price will smash here to the downside, so that like crypto exchange like FTX go to zero, nobody has any money anymore, yeah, to buy it cheap. But the rich, no problem, they have the money and they can buy here at these low levels. Yeah. So if you want to know the end target for Bitcoin, yeah, what will happen here in April, June, please request Bitcoin in the Wolf price target so that we can analyze this in detail and look in which direction we can go. But fact is, yeah, that the next test of this level here, next level is here 20,000. The next test will not the case in which we break here the negative trend line to the upside. Yeah. So I think they will, the rich and the elites and the whales, they will stretch this formation until mid of, or I would say March, April, June, July in these areas to in which we can break here out. Yeah. But again, the 12,000 is not the end target. The price will smash here to the downside. If you are interested in this info, then please request this in the Wolf price target so that we can look here exactly. Yeah? So, but fact is, this here, in my eyes, will not happen that we can break here this. This is too early. Yeah? We have to smash here to the downside and then we can say, okay, the price is now stable so that we can go here out of range and go here to higher levels and test new highs. So this is my view to Bitcoin. Maybe I want also information to you. What is the best exchange? I would be happy if you write this in the comment field. Which crypto exchange do you use? So that we can say, okay, this is a stable crypto exchange, so we can recommend this and share this with the people. Have a nice day.